If you recognize what you see in front of you, you're in the right place. So this is basically a unboxing of the latest attempt to fix the LCD issue with the Juno-g. So for those that are first encountering the issue, this is an original screen with the issue that's I taped off. I think the issue is with these chips debonding from the glass underneath. So if you apply heat to these chips, you will get a temporary bond back to the glass and you can rectify the issue a little bit, but I think a permanent solution is not possible. I did try to refix the ribbon cables to the glass. You need a special tape. This is the tape you need. Didn't work. I mean, fixing the ribbons did work, but getting the screen fully back didn't work. So don't try and fix this, guys. There's no way, unless you've got some way to reflow these chips. The second thing I did was get this module. So this is a screen that is smaller in size to the original, and it's got a Raspberry Pi Mini doing the conversion. It does a reasonably good job at emulating the display. As you see, you could use it. For me, I think try something better. So next option is to get a version 2 LCD panel. So this I bought from a website that I'm not going to name because it doesn't work. As you see, it's something that's quite different to the original. This is the original one. And like I say, I bought it and it was dead on arrival, so wasted money. By the way, if you want to buy a new cable, this is what you need. So it's a FFC cable, 18 position, 1mm pitch. This is from DigiKey. So as I say, this is what I've got at the moment. This small LCD module, and new to the market is a what claims to be a official or a official replacement. So this is the box I got this morning. It's from a guy called, let's just put that into shot, Marrick. So if you look on eBay and you find a screen from a guy called Marrick, this is what I'm reviewing. Okay, do the unboxing here. So we open it together. That's what's inside. That's where it's come from. So he's got his own website. Piece of cardboard. Lots of stuff inside. The foam, anti-static bag. We're going to get that open. So now the first thing that strikes me is it looks very similar to the one I got from the other company. So Marrick claims that this will work with the version 2.00 firmware. There's something written on there. I don't know what that says, but hopefully it's good. Yeah, so I'm gonna now switch this over. So this is obviously running the 2.00 firmware. I have got the ability to upgrade to 2.01. So to upgrade to 2.01, you need first to upgrade the boot firmware and then the run firmware. So it's a two-step process. But to downgrade back to 2.0, it's a one-step process. So a little bit of complication. Okay, let me switch off. There, I'm now going to unplug this one. And now I'm going to plug this one in. There we go. So there's the unboxing. And what do we have? Wow, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful sight? So, Marrick, all I have is thanks for you. I mean, look at that. Let's zoom in on that. I think that is pixel perfect. Okay, I'm going to wipe off this marker from the screen. And then I'm going to put the Juno-g back together, and I'll just play you a little bit of an outro. Switch on. We go for world, and the way I'm feeling right now is quiet river.